I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm here up at our indoor winter storage facility up in Maine. We just got a bunch of new Axopars in, one of which is this beautiful new Axopar 28, and this boat has the aft wet bar arrangement as well as the folding seats. We've been getting a lot of questions about the folding seats and how they work, so I'm just going to show you guys both features here. So the seats are set up so that they can be turned the other direction so that you can trim the outboard all the way up and out of the water when you're not using the boat. And that's how this one's set up. I've already got this seat set up here over on the port side, but I'm going to show you exactly how it goes here with this other one. So first thing you're going to do is just pick it up, spin it around. Then this waterproof cover comes off. And voila, makes a great place to sit back here. There's also a table that mounts right in the middle. So if you wanted to have a sandwich out here on the aft deck, you could do so. Now I'm going to show you guys the wet bar here. And it has a push button release here over on the starboard side. That opens up. And you have your wet bar sink in the middle here, sort of a prep station over on the starboard side. And then you've got a very deep sailboat style fridge with the cold plate there. Down below here you've got some deck storage. If you have any questions about any of the Axopar models, feel free to reach out to me via call, text, or email. My contact information is right below the video. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the water next time.